Hello class, great good afternoon. Class, I hope all the things are really very good and all you are doing very well. Class, today I am with your assignment 4 pertaining to Right to Information Act 2005 of Unit 5 and the International Environment, the left syllabus. Class, this time I am giving an audio assignment. You have to listen it carefully and then you have to perform the things pertaining to that. Plus, as you are aware that we are doing with the RTI Act, so please note down the questions pertaining to it. Question number 1, that is how to file an RTI. Write the steps, and you have to only write the steps. You have to refer the video which I have given in the YouTube, or you can refer the Google for this. You have to write the steps, that what are the steps of filing an online RTI. Question number 2, what is severability as per section 10? In this you have to explain that what is severability clause and what does it contain. Question number 3, that is what are the exemption from the disclosure of information. Here you have to write about the exemption from the disclosure of information. Question 4, are private bodies covered under the RTI Act? You have to give the reason, yes or no. I would again repeat, are private bodies covered under the RTI Act? Yes or no, give reason. Question number 5, what rights are available under the RTI Act 2005? I would again repeat, what are the rights that are available under the RTI Act 2005? Now moving on to the business environment. Question number 1, what are the recent sectors as per the FDI Act, and what are the different scenarios as per the FDI Act? In this question, you have to explain the different sectors such as manufacturing, infrastructure, and all other sectors, and what are the rate of FDI going on. That you have to again refer the Google classes, or you have to again refer the Google for this. Do Google and give the answer. Question number 2, is MNC's culture a good or bad for India? Again you have to refer Google, or you have to use your brains. Again I will repeating the question, is MNC's, that is multinational corporate culture, is good for India or bad for India? You have to give both the reasons for good as well as bad. Question number 3, mention some foreign market entry strategies. You have to mention the strategies of foreign market entry. I've given the notes and also the slide shares, also the screenshots. You have to mention the strategies of foreign market entries into India. Plus, this is all about the assignment 4, and you have to complete the assignment 4 and you have to submit the same by Tuesday. I would again repeat, you have to submit the same by Tuesday. Also class, there is an announcement that for this time opportunity grabber is also there, and the opportunity grabber is that in this you have to either you can do the assignment by your typing through the online mode or through handwritten. Both the options are there, but the only thing is you have to submit the same at the Google classes only, no other option. And again, if the person has given on the emails, marks would be counted as 0. You have to give through the online mode, through PDF or on MS Word, or the second option is handwritten notes are also allowed. This is all about assignment 4. And class, note one thing, tomorrow there is a meeting of Zoom scheduled tomorrow, and all of the PGDM plus MBA students need to be compulsorily attend the meeting. Reason being, some important announcements regarding the syllabus, regarding the examination, regarding our future prospects, and regarding our trainings and all would be there. So I would hope that all of you are being there, and see you tomorrow at 12 at Zoom meeting. Take care.